To format a document in MLA style using Google Docs, start by opening a new document. Set the font to Times New Roman and adjust the size to 12 points. Next, ensure your document has 1-inch margins on all sides, which you can set in the Page Setup menu. For the header, include your last name and page number in the upper right corner. You can insert this by selecting Insert, then Header and Page Number. On the first page, create a title block that includes your name, instructor's name, course name, and date, all left aligned. After the title block, center your title in standard title case. Indent the first line of each paragraph by 1/2 inch, which you can do by pressing the Tab key. Double-space the entire document, including the Works Cited page. You can set this in the line spacing options under the Format menu. Finally, create a Works Cited page at the end of your document. This page should list all sources in alphabetical order, formatted with a hanging indent. To achieve this, highlight your citations and adjust the indent settings. Following these steps will help you create a properly formatted MLA document in Google Docs, ensuring your work meets academic standards.